My name is Michelle Lee, and my husband and I will both work in downtown Manhattan, and we have two beautiful girls. They are in a teenager right now.
Well, the unique thing about this project is this was really a simple installation, a simple replacement of the systems that they had with the new systems. They really fit in very easily. And we can monitor their usage, monitor the economy of the systems, and the increased comfort for the occupants.
We bought the house 6 years ago, and the air conditioning system was a traditional ducted HVAC system. The outdoor unit is big and huge and make a lot of noises. When we installed Daikin FIT system, our neighbor noticed right away because their air conditioner make a tons of noise you can hear from our house. And for this Daikin new system, you don't hear anything.
I mean, we're standing shooting 10 feet from a unit that's operating right now, and we can't hear it run. So you're increasing their comfort through the quietness inside the home. That's a good deal for the customer.
Daikin is a big name in Asia, and everybody knows you get the best quality and you get best service.
The Daikin FIT offers us a 21st century product. It's got inverter technology, it's extremely quiet, extremely efficient, and that translates into cost savings for the customer.
Our energy bill come in every month. They have the comparison how you use your energy compared to your neighbors. So we're always the lowest in the neighborhood.
Well, the Daikin FIT offers an increase in the level of expectations of what the system can provide for a customer. More comfort, better dehumidification, a quieter system. We want to be able to have the customer expect it and then deliver it to them.